You guys don't have a YouTube channel?
No.
You guys
Behind
don't-
the back.
oh,
We need that.
have a YouTube
Boom.
channel.
I can drill with my right hand maybe better.
We'll start a mission vlog.
You guys, yeah. real
Do it
shit.
again.
We should.
Let's do this.
I'm gonna hop on that.
I'm gonna try to get a cookie. You just imagine the ball.
Let's go, bro. One.
That's the only song I know on the piano.
There's a president right there.
What happened to the band that hit his jail? That's there without separation.
He was damned. You want to be damned? So what's up? You want to be damned? He was damned. You want to be damned? Let's sing. Let those pipes sing.
I cannot hold on.
Oh, I gotta do that. I gotta do that. Nice shit. Bye bye. That's it.
That's beautiful. I can run the phone. I can play.
Alright, so what just happened was we were biking down the street and I had my phone in my right hand and I hit the brakes with my left hand, and my left hand brake is the front brake. So then I was going fast and hit my front brakes and I went whoo, and I crashed. I cut my shin and my calf, scratched my hand real bad. But then Elder Mitchell behind me, he was like, Elder, are you okay? And then he hit his front brake and then he crashed too.
I'm just following your example.
I
You're
know.
my trainer. I'm supposed to do what you do.
Bro, he like almost landed on me too. That John hurted. Missionaries. Elder, missionaries. We got cut there, big lump right there, scraped right there, sore right there. And that's the bike wreck. Out of Palmer. W day?
Yeah. W day.
W day. Get chewed out by Rick?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Day all day.
interviews. How'd they go?
Not what I expected.
Not what you expected?
Yeah.
Fair enough, fair enough.
Pretty much.
The minky did you dirty. Mm-mm.
Always.
Mm-mm.
His fault.
I know. I think all 4 of us in the house got chewed out by President Johnson some way or another. We all got shafted for something, but we gonna figure it all out because we obedient up here. The vlog is good.
Elder Mitchell, I said, looks like I'm kissing Elder Mitchell tonight.
No.
What they told me,
Why not? Why not?
they told me to full send it, Elder
It's
Mitchell.
your turn. We already did it last night. It's your turn now.
Oh. I'm out of chapstick.
Oh, we got some for you.
Yeah, Les got some chapstick.
I'm not so sure chapstick. That's gross.
Here, On can put some on and then kiss you, and then you'll have chapstick.
Exactly.
Yeah. That's someone else's chapstick.
You don't want to share with me?
Sherry's carrying.
All right, we're gonna go to the store, buy chopstick,
And then come back.
apply it, and use it.
Yes, the way it's meant to be used.
Yes.
All right, we'll be back. Going to the store.
Excuse me.
We just went into a shoe place to buy Elder Mitchell a new shoe, and the dude who works in there says that President Nilsson has been his best customer for 20 years. It's crazy. Okay, God in the miracles moment. Here's how many moving pieces the Lord has. So we're up on top of our hill, very top of our area. We're just blind knocking some doors on this place called Miller Avenue. And we're like, we need to go. And we weren't ready to go yet. So we decided to go because God told us to. So we're going. And we stopped by this house on the way that we were going to hit. And we're like, yo, what's good? What's good, missionaries? All this stuff. And we get a return point. We make a new. We had a goal today to find a new. So that's our new. And then, as we're coming down the hill further, we see this like old grandma and like this young adult, middle adult. This other dude walking with the grandma. And then they're like, missionaries. And we like stop by and talk to them. And the dude wants to get baptized. The grandma's a member. And they're just like homies. But the dude wants to get baptized. Not in our area. But we're able to refer that to the other missionaries. And we'll just see what happens. But that's God in the details. If we kept knocking those doors, we wouldn't have gotten the new because he was about to leave. And we wouldn't have found that other person for the elders. Just listen to those promptings. Mitchell, we here, North Salt Lake Parkway steak. It's raining, it's bad. We got 5 miles home.
Yep.
5 or 6, I forget.
It's 2 blocks.
We got 5 mile bike ride home in the rain.
They're very
There's
long
lightning,
blocks.
there's wind. We'll see if we make it. This may be the last vlog y'all ever see. Because they are baller.
Be like a mating call, I guess. No, I just think it's gonna communicate. It also tells other birds to back off.
W Temple. W Temple. Here, I just found a little pond. Fish just jumped. Little waterfall thingy kinda over there. Real nice. A lot of activity in the water right now. Almost 8 o'clock. We're probably gonna come back here one of these P days with a fishing rod. See what we can catch. See what dinner's lurking in here. We'll have some fun with it. We got the loft apartments right behind us, so we can do some proselytizing, catch some fish, maybe do some fish finding. Have a good time with it. Okay, we are doing role plays with Elder Mitchell. Real teaching scenarios. What's good, little buck? What's your name? Two by three? 3-point? Oh, sorry, camera. He was a little 3-point. He's having a good day.
Must be a very young buck.
Just a little city buck. There we go. Just struggling up all these hills. You know how it is, the mission grind. Little buck.
I didn't get a video of me actually camping, but I did go camping and I am very sunburnt. I had a really good time. I went water skiing and cliff jumping, and yeah, I had fun.
Back-to-back two-time champion of Sundays.
Right? I'm not sure where.
¿Por qué?
Must also still be a meeting. I'm gonna just run this up to Cameron, and then. No, you tell us.
All was good.
Whoa, sorry.
Whoa, Mitchell. Why are you attacking the...